dear partners and customers. So myself Prakash Lakshmipati. So basically I'm from ABB Robotics. I'm taking care of regional sales role for this south region, and basically ABB is a Swedish company, Swedish MNC. So we have more than 50 years of legacy in robotics, and we have a head office in Sweden, and in India we have operations in Bangalore and Chennai. So basically I am located in Chennai, and today I am here in Intech 2026. So we have a partner who displayed our complete arc welding cells robots in Coimbatore. So we have cobots and industrial robots for arc welding application. So coming to Kavin Inc. So he is having a 12 years of experience in arc welding field, and past 6 years we have associated with Kavin, Mr. Ramanathan sir, and we are doing more than 20 plus robots per year for majorly in top OEMs and tier 1 tier 2 customers, and he's having a very good technical knowledge and customer relationship with the existing customers. So we have a proud and very good technical support in the per se of arc welding, and so in Coimbatore he is our top integrators for arc welding applications. So please visit, and please let us know if any requirement is there. Thank you so much. Yeah.